Here's how you can go ahead and set up your Facebook page. For that, you need to go ahead, launch your web browser, go to facebook.com, switch your account to your page, or keep your account as it is. Then tap on your profile picture icon in the top right corner of your screen. Then go to Settings and Privacy and select Settings. From the left-hand side of the screen, you need to scroll down and there you'll see the section of Payments. Go ahead and tap on Add Payment option. Here you can manage your payment info and activity or add a new payment account. Tap on Add More Funds in the top of the screen, and here you'll get the option of debit or credit card, Momo account, your BNP. I'm going to go ahead and select debit or credit card, then tap on Next in the bottom, and here you need to enter your tax code, which is optional. You can also skip this part and then enter your card details, enter the name on your card number, expiry date, and your CVV code that is in the back of your card. Then tap on Save in the bottom and you'll be done. This is how you can set up a new Facebook Pay on your Facebook page or your Facebook account. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.